everyone. Welcome back to Word Power Boost. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. Hey, Sarah, how are you doing today?
Oh, Mike, I'm doing great. I had such a lovely morning. Woke up early, had a peaceful cup of tea on my balcony, and saw the most beautiful sunrise.
That sounds amazing. I also had a wonderful start to my day. I went for a morning walk and saw a dog chasing a butterfly. It was so cute. Those simple moments, you know.
Aw, that's adorable. See, listeners, starting your day with something positive really sets the mood. And speaking of positive things, today's episode is going to be a game changer for many of you.
Yes. Today we're diving into one of the most frustrating problems that English learners face. Understanding everything but not being able to speak.
Oh, this is such a common struggle. You can watch movies, understand songs, follow conversations, but when it's your turn to talk, blank.
Exactly. Your mind just freezes up. And today, we're going to break down exactly why this happens and give you practical solutions to fix it.
But before we dive in, if you're new here, welcome to Word Power Boost. This is your podcast for improving English in a fun, practical, and friendly way.
And if this is your second time joining us, or your 10th time, thank you so much for being here. We really appreciate you.
If you find this episode helpful, please hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share this with anyone who's learning English. It helps us reach more learners like you.
All right, Sarah, let's solve this mystery. Why can people understand English but not speak it?
Let's do it. So, Mike, let's paint a picture here. Imagine this. You're watching your favorite English movie. Maybe it's a Marvel film or a romantic comedy.
Ooh, I love a good action movie.
Of course you do. So you're watching and you understand everything. Every joke, every conversation, every dramatic moment. You're following along perfectly.
Right. You even understand the song lyrics on the radio. You're singing along in your head, feeling great about your English.
But then someone asks you a question in English. Maybe at work, maybe a tourist on the street asks for directions.
And suddenly, your mind goes completely blank. All those words you understood just minutes ago, gone, vanished, disappeared.
It's like your brain just logged out. You stand there thinking, wait, I know this language. Why can't I speak?
Exactly. And here's the thing, listeners, this is totally normal. It happens to almost every language learner.
Yes. And the reason is actually quite simple. Understanding English is passive. Your ears do the work. But speaking is active. Your brain, your mouth, your tongue, your memory, they all have to work together instantly.
Think of it like this. Watching someone cook on TV versus actually cooking yourself. You understand the recipe when you watch it, but when you stand in front of the stove, that's a whole different story.
Perfect analogy. You've trained your ears to receive English, but you haven't trained your mouth and brain to produce it yet.
And that's the gap we're going to help you close today.
All right, let's break down exactly why this happens. There are 4 main reasons.
Reason number 1, lack of speaking practice. You're simply not using English out loud enough.
Right. Think about it. How many hours do you spend listening to English versus actually speaking it?
For most learners, they listen for hours every day. Music, movies, podcasts like this one.
Thanks for listening, by the way.
But speaking, maybe just a few minutes, or sometimes not at all. Your speaking muscles, your tongue, your lips, your vocal cords, they're not getting enough exercise.
It's like going to the gym and only watching other people work out. You won't get stronger.
Exactly. Reason number 2, fear of mistakes. You understand English, but you don't feel confident enough to use it.
Oh, this is a big one. You're thinking, what if I say the wrong word? What if people laugh at me? What if my grammar is terrible?
And you know what? That fear keeps you silent. But here's the truth, listeners. Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers.
Absolutely. I make mistakes in English all the time. Yesterday, I called my phone a remote control by accident. My friend couldn't stop laughing.
Oh no. See? Native speaker, still making mistakes. And we're still here, still speaking, still communicating.
Exactly. Making mistakes is part of learning. It's how you improve.
Reason number 3, thinking in your native language first. This is a huge problem.
Yes. What happens is someone asks you something in English, and in your head, you translate it to your native language. Think of the answer in your native language, and then try to translate it back to English.
By that time, the conversation has already moved on. You're too slow because you're doing double work.
Right. You need to start thinking directly in English. No translation in the middle.
And reason number 4, you listen more than you speak. Your brain is excellent at receiving information, but not at producing it.
It's like only reading text messages but never replying. Your brain knows how to understand, but not how to create sentences quickly.
So those are the 4 main reasons. And now, the part you've been waiting for?
Let's talk solutions. Here are 5 powerful strategies to help you start speaking English confidently.
Strategy number 1, start speaking daily even if you're alone.
Yes, you don't need a conversation partner to practice. Talk to yourself. Describe what you're doing throughout the day.
For example, while you're cooking, say out loud, "Okay, now I'm chopping onions." Ouch, my eyes are burning. I'm adding salt to the water. It's boiling now. The pasta smells delicious.
Perfect. Or while you're getting dressed, let me put on my blue shirt. Oh, wait, this doesn't match my pants. Maybe the black one is better. Yes, much better.
Or even during your morning routine. I'm brushing my teeth. The toothpaste tastes minty. Now I'm washing my face. The water is so cold, time to make coffee.
See how simple that is? You're training your brain to think in English and your mouth to produce sentences automatically.
Another example when you're walking outside. The weather is nice today. Oh, that's a beautiful tree. That dog is so cute. I should buy some groceries later.
People might think you're a little crazy talking to yourself. But who cares? You're improving your English.
Exactly. Strategy number 2, shadow native speakers.
This technique is amazing. Here's what you do. Find a short video clip, maybe 30 seconds from a YouTube video, a TV show, or a movie.
Play it, pause it, and then repeat exactly what they said. Try to copy their pronunciation, their rhythm, even their emotion.
For example, if someone says, "I can't believe you did that," you repeat with the same surprise in your voice. "I can't believe you did that."
It helps you sound more natural. You're not just learning words. You're learning how native speakers actually use those words.
Do this for 10 to 15 minutes every day. Pick different speakers, some American, some British, different ages, different emotions.
Your accent and fluency will improve so fast.
Strategy number 3, think in English. Stop translating.
This is hard at first, but it's a game changer. Throughout your day, describe things in your head in English.
Look around right now. What do you see? Don't translate. Just describe in English. For example, I see my phone on the table. There's a red cup next to it. The window is open. I can hear birds singing outside.
Or describe your feelings. I'm feeling tired. I need coffee. I'm excited about the weekend. I'm a bit nervous about my presentation tomorrow.
Even simple observations help. That car is fast. This food is spicy. The baby is crying. She looks happy today.
The more you do this, the faster your brain will think in English automatically.
Strategy number 4. Use simple sentences first. You don't need fancy vocabulary to sound fluent.
This is so important. Many learners think they need to use big, complicated words to sound smart.
But native speakers, we use simple language all the time.
Instead of saying, I am experiencing substantial fatigue, just say, I'm really tired.
Instead of, the weather conditions are particularly favorable today, say, the weather is great today.
Instead of, I would like to express my gratitude, just say, thank you so much.
See? Simple, natural, and perfectly fluent.
Start with basic sentences. I like pizza. She is my friend. We went to the park. The movie was good.
Once you're comfortable, then you can add more details. I really like pizza, especially with extra cheese. She is my best friend from university. We went to the park yesterday and fed the birds. The movie was surprisingly good.
Build your confidence with simple sentences first.
And finally, strategy number 5, record yourself.
Oh, this one is uncomfortable at first.
It really is. Nobody likes hearing their own voice, but it's so helpful.
Use your phone. Record yourself speaking for just 1 or 2 minutes. Talk about your day, describe a photo, answer a question.
Then listen back. You'll notice your mistakes, maybe pronunciation errors, grammar issues, or places where you hesitated too much.
But you'll also hear your progress. You'll realize, hey, I actually said that pretty well. My pronunciation is improving.
It builds confidence because you have proof that you can speak English. It's not just in your head. You have a recording.
Do this once a week, and in a few months, you'll be amazed at how much you've improved.
Okay, before we wrap up, let's give you some super useful phrases. These are filler phrases, words you can use when you're thinking or need a moment to gather your thoughts.
Native speakers use these all the time. They make you sound more natural and fluent.
All right, let's start. The first one is, let me think. Use this when someone asks you a question and you need a second to process it. For example, let me think. I believe the meeting is on Wednesday.
Perfect. The second one is, that's an interesting question. This is brilliant because it buys you time and makes you sound intelligent. For example, that's an interesting question. I'd say my favorite food is pasta because it's so versatile.
Love that. The third phrase is, how can I say this in English? And listeners, it's perfectly fine to admit you're searching for a word. For example, how can I say this in English? Ah, yes, disappointed. I felt disappointed when the event was canceled.
Great example. Number 4 is I mean. Use this to clarify or rephrase what you just said. For example, I like mornings. I mean, I like them when I get enough sleep.
So relatable. The fifth phrase is, you know. This is very casual and natural. For example, it's hard to explain, but I just felt something was wrong.
Exactly. Number 6 is actually. Use this to correct yourself or add new information. For example, I went shopping yesterday. Actually, it was 2 days ago. Time flies so fast.
It really does. The seventh phrase is the thing is. This is great for explaining a situation or giving a reason. For example, I want to join you for dinner, but the thing is, I have to work late tomorrow.
Very useful. Number 8 is to be honest. This makes you sound sincere and natural. For example, to be honest, I'm not sure about the answer. Can you give me a moment to check?
Perfect. The ninth phrase is well. This is probably the most common filler word. Use it to start your response. For example, well, I think it depends on the situation. Every case is different.
And finally, number 10, we have two phrases here, sort of and kind of. These show you're being approximate or not completely certain. For example, I'm kind of tired today, or the movie was sort of boring, but the ending was good.
Excellent. Now let me give you 3 bonus phrases because we love you.
Yes! Bonus time!
Bonus phrase number 1. What I'm trying to say is, this helps when you're struggling to express yourself clearly. For example, what I'm trying to say is I need more time to decide about the job offer.
Bonus phrase number 2. It's like. This is perfect for making comparisons or explaining something in a simpler way. For example, it's like trying to learn swimming without getting in the water.
And finally, bonus phrase number 3. In other words, this is great for rephrasing your thoughts or summarizing what you just said. For example, we need more practice speaking out loud. In other words, we need to stop being shy and just start talking.
Exactly. And here's a super important pro tip. Don't be afraid of short pauses. Even native speakers pause to think. A short, natural pause is much better than saying, constantly.
Yes. 1 or 2 ums are okay. We all do it. But too much sounds nervous and unprepared. Instead, use these filler phrases we just taught you.
They'll make you sound confident, natural, and fluent, even while you're thinking. All right, everyone, we've covered a lot today.
We talked about why you can understand English but can't speak. It's because understanding is passive, but speaking is active.
We explained the 4 main reasons this happens: lack of practice, fear of mistakes, thinking in your native language, and listening more than speaking.
And we gave you 5 powerful strategies to fix it. Speak daily to yourself, shadow native speakers, think in English, use simple sentences, and record yourself.
Plus, we shared tons of filler phrases to help you sound more natural while you're thinking.
So here's your challenge for this week. Spend just 10 minutes a day talking to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing, what you see, how you feel.
And use at least 3 of those filler phrases we taught you. Practice them until they feel natural.
Remember, making mistakes is part of the process. Don't be afraid. Every time you speak, you're getting better.
And if you found this episode helpful, please subscribe to Word Power Boost, give us a thumbs up, and share it with your friends who are learning English.
Your support means the world to us and helps us keep creating content for you.
We also love hearing from you. Send us your questions, your progress updates, or just say hi.
All right, everyone. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember, you can do this.
We believe in you.
Until next time, keep boosting your word power. Bye, everyone.
See you in the next episode.